And we got a spark, American Bosch equipped McCormick Deering Engine, 1.5 horsepower. This one is. Yeah, had to post up here for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna make a run for it. You know, you never know, could you, or wait it out. Yeah. Oh yeah, I dusted it off there with that. That's one of them tack claws right there. You know, I just knocked the dust off of it. And we get a little paint on there now. Just saying. Oh yeah, oh yeah, regular zoo around here. It's a little past noon, overcast day. Had a little gecko type varmint there is taking advantage of the evening sun. Has been doing about every day this week. Regular zoo here in Middle Tennessee. Had a little gecko type friend there. He been hanging out. I say he, I don't know about that, but been hanging out there on the corner of that chair there about every evening when the sun comes out, whatever time of day that is here. Taking advantage of the sun, I'm thinking, to warm up. You know, about a week now. I started about a week back that I noticed it. Shop door open. I looking out through the side there towards the west. Little gecko type character been hanging out there on the corner of that old chair. Taking advantage of the evening sun, I think. But once he gets a moving, when he gets warmed up, that little fella right there is fast. That first time I noticed him, he had some problems with his tail, and I see that it's grown back quite rapidly. A larger proportion in relationship to the rest of his body. Life of ease, I think. Soaking up the sun. I guess you could say the little thing was solar powered. From here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. The show goes on. A totally different character in the evening. Bright sun's out. Just happened by the door here. I don't think that's the same one that was out this morning. Could be different perspective. Quite interesting. He usually hangs out over on that old tractor tar, or one akin, I guess. Yeah, how cool is that? Kind of brings back to memory. You know that book, Animal Farm, I think it is? You know, tells a story of politics, I guess. Government, just general life from the barnyard perspective. So at some point, you know, if you're doing an analysis, at some point, you know, just being on general observance from such a distance, we are, you know, straight line about 4 foot, I'd say. And to make appearance every day this week, you know, I guess you could say we made contact, because I'm sure the little feller is as aware of me, myself, as I am of him, you know. Well, just to go ahead and prove, sometimes you have to prove to the audience that your channel is on the level, aside from Miss Gecko. I may not be a gecko. Aside from this, to prove that I am actually on the level at some point, let's get that level out and level something up. Well, I think it caught something. A small bug or something. Yeah, how cool is that? Probably should have a name for him. Leave a comment.